Welcome to Commerce Classroom. In this video I am going to explain how to clear NET and SET examination. If you are in the teaching line, you very well know about that NET and SET examination. Okay. Most of us we think NET and SET examination is very tough. But it is not like that. NET and SET examination is very easy one. And the second question is, can I clear the NET examination in my first attempt? Yes, you can clear your NET examination in the first attempt. But there are some strategy you have to use. Okay, I will give you some simple tips to clear NET and SET examination. The first one is you have to understand the syllabus and exam pattern. First, you have to read the whole syllabus. First, you have to know what are all the subjects in the syllabus. For example, if you are going to write commerce exam, that is the NET exam, you have to read all the subjects in the syllabus. Okay, then only you can know which subject you have to give more weightage. Then you will know which subject you have to give less weightage based on your level of knowledge. Okay. The second one is focus on tough subject. If in your syllabus there is 10 units, you can choose the topic very tough on the basis of your level of knowledge. For example, if you don't know about financial management or income tax or whatever the subject you feel very tough, you can concentrate more on the particular subject. Why? Because you already know some easy topics. So you need to concentrate more on the particular easiest topic. So you have to concentrate some tough subject. If you feel you are lagging in the particular subject, you have to try to concentrate more on the particular subject only. Then only you can clear the examination easily. Already you have studied well, so you are now preparing to clear your NET examination. So try to solve more previous year questions. If you already attempt previous exams, you know very well about the importance of previous year question. If you attempt previous year, you know about that how many questions are repeated. So the particular questions also will give you some marks. Here you have no negative marks, so try to solve all the questions. The next one is revision. If you are studied well, then you have to revise whatever the subject you have studied. For example, today you have studied financial management. At the end of the day, you have to revise the topics whatever you have studied and try to get some expert advice. Here, expert advice means some persons in your contact cleared the NET examination. Whether it may be a first attempt or a number of attempts, it is not a problem. You have to get some information from them. They will guide you in which topic you have to give more priority, in which topic you have give less priority. With that, you have to prepare your strategy. Please don't panic. It's just an exam. You can clear the NET examination in the future. Thank you.